This is Alice Okeke from Iwele Study and Resource Center, Enugu, in Nigeria of West Africa. Why Nigerian teenagers drop out of school? Nigerian teenagers drop out of school due to many reasons. Number 1, poverty. 2, lack of good training from their parents. 3, death of the parents. And 4, poverty. Lack of good training from their parents. When a child grows up in a family where he or she is not taken good care of, the child will not develop an interest in going to school. For example, when a child did not have the adequate training in a family, maybe the parents is ignorant in education or is not educated, the child will not develop the interest in going to school. By forcing the child to go to the school, we make the child to drop out of the school. Secondly, death of their parents. When a child loses his or her parents, the possibility of going to school will not be more important for him or her. Maybe the relation of the child may not have the interest to support the child in going to school. The child will forcefully drop out of the school. Thirdly, pregnancy. When a girl or a boy is not interested in school, is messing his or herself up, unfortunately, the person will get pregnancy. This will lead the person to drop out of the school. And lastly, poverty. When a child grows up in a family where there is no money, and the child will find it difficult to start school, maybe because of one thing or the other, he has no person to help, the parents are poor, the parents may decide to take away the child from them, maybe giving him or her to another person that will not take good care of them. When reaching to that place, the child will do one thing or the other. Instead of going to school, it will also lead to drop out of school. So I'm appealing to the governments, even the individuals in Nigeria, to put their hands, or mostly the governments, to provide free education to the Nigerians, so that we will know whether we will improve the educational level of our children, mostly the teenagers. Thanks. From Alice Okeke, reporting from Iwele Study and Resource Center, Enugu, West Africa.